in terms of gaming. So objects are just a series of properties and values stored inside a variable. So let's say that you have a dog. The name is Camper. Legs is 4. Tails is 1. Friends, blah, blah, blah. Notice that the property are strings, but the value can be a string, a number, array. It can be any data type. So instead, we're going to actually do something more cool. We're going to do let's see, warrior. Okay. So we're going to do different properties and values. So again, an object is just, you store it into a variable, but it can actually be an anonymous object too. The only thing that really defines an object is actually just these two brackets. So this is an object. It's a data type, right? Can anyone tell me any other data types? Yeah, you need to really read up. Starts with an S. What are some other data types? This is an object, right? String. Okay. String. Array. Integer. Dictionary is not in JavaScript. Array is, yeah. I think dictionary is in Python. Yeah, I think dictionary is in Python. And maybe in Swift too, yeah. Integer, string. You should have got this. We went over data types. Floats, we have floats. Yeah, so which one's the top one? Yeah, so we have object, excellent. And then the second one is a? Yep, we got that, right? Excellent. Okay, so these are different data types. So, yeah, Boolean is another type. Boolean, true or false. Yeah, the easiest one, right? Easiest to, yeah, you guys didn't remember the easy ones. So, okay, so now we're going to give this warrior object different properties and values. So how do we give different properties and values? So first off, I'm just start off with, so it can be as a string, or you can just have it as a non-string, yeah. This is how you build an object using the object literal method. The object literal method means it's like literally, like you're literally just building it up literally. Literally like this. Um, you don't actually necessarily have to have it as a variable, but we will consider it to always be in a variable. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, exactly. So we're going to give it properties to pull from. So we're going to give it a name property, then you do colon, and then we're going to do strings right now as the values. So what's the name of this first warrior? Mario. Okay, a very, what is it, warrior type name. Then you use comma. Yeah. Let's see, type. Okay, so type plumber. Special. All right, this is where we want to use spaces, right? So we use a string. So special abilities, and we're gonna put it into an array. An array is just a list, right? So let's say that we want an array with strings. So what are special abilities for Mario? Jumping, fireball, ice thingy. He does ice. Oh yeah, he does that. Wait. Oh, the raccoon. Yeah, yeah. Okay, the raccoon tail. Oh, hammer throw. Ham. Yep. Yeah, star. Star. Yeah, we keep forgetting all the easy ones, like the most powerful and the easy ones. Okay. So we have special abilities. So again, when properties, you can do them in two ways. You can either have it like this, or if you have spaces, then you do them with a string. And I'll explain why later on. So the value, yeah. No. No, I made these all up. I could have named this booger butt. But this is just means something to me, right? The computer doesn't understand any of this. The computer just looks at this and goes NAME TYPE.
So why can you just not camel case special ability?
You could, but I wanted it to look like this.
Okay.
Just to show off the abilities. You could have just done this.
Is it better too or not?
It's up to you.
Okay.
But that seems kind of long. If you were reading through it, they'd be like, wait, what is this?
Yeah, it's like special abilities. Especially when it's like a lot of them. So I'm just going to do this. Now, let's give it some other stuff. So name type, special abilities, love. I got. Wait. Love interests. This is gonna be okay. Hold on.
Bowser.
Bowser. Bowser. Toad. Coop. All Koopa. This Koopa's not just one person.
Red Koopa.
Koop. Just one Koopa.
Red Koopa.
Oh, red Koopa. Okay. And then definitely not Peach. Okay.
He's trying to save Bowser from Peach.
Peach keeps abusing him. He's like, it's illegal to marry now. Okay, so let's see. Love interest, name, type, special abilities. Favorite color. We can put that into one word. Favorite color. What is his favorite color? Pink, not red. What? No, let's think of some things that have numbers. Age.
Is this anniversary? Yeah, I'll look it up.
80. What? Oh, since 85. So 30 years old. Because 85 was when I was born. So 30. 30 or 31.
This means says 26. But I don't know if it's Mars 26 years old when reading this picture. Oh, this is probably older.
All right, let's just put 30.
This is the 30.
All right. So now we have a whole bunch of different properties and values, and this is what defines the warrior object. So that the warrior object is saved into so all this object is saved into a variable called warrior. So if I do now, okay, so now we created this using object.literal, or sorry, not object.literal, but using this method called an object literal. Now, if we want to read different things from our warrior object, we can do console.log, and we can do warrior dot, and this is called dot notation, name. What do you think warrior dot name will give me? Mario. So let's see if that's true.
You think console on the bottom left?
This is the console. Oh my god, I think it's just going really slow. Yeah, it's just going really slow. It's a me! Oh man, I should have chosen Wario. He's so much cooler. Okay, now if I put warrior dot type, what do you think it's gonna give me? El Plumer.
Not mine.
Okay, really, computer, I'm gonna kill you.
Today,
Plumber.
tables have turned.
What?
It's working perfectly fine.
Mine's going slow, but as soon as I get the new MacBook Pro, it's gonna be over.
Yeah.
They're supposed to be refreshing them. The new MacBooks.
Wait, what?
They're supposed to be refreshing them pretty soon.
Okay, I'm gonna wait for that then.
Yeah, so I would wait for it.
Okay.
What do you mean? What's the
They usually do some refreshes every time, I guess Intel does their new processor.
Oh, they're based on that timeline?
Yeah, they
That's
haven't
cool.
done it for a while because Intel is lagging.
Okay. Alright, do you guys think that this will work? Right, but why do you think it won't work?
Do you have to do a string?
Right, so if it has to be in a string form, then we have to use a different format of accessing properties and values from an object, and that is the bracket notation. So you have to do this, and now we can put this in quotes. So there are two ways to access properties and values. One is using the dot notation, and the other is using bracket notation. Bracket notation you can put strings into, dot notation you can't.
So then can you get rid of the dot and type in brackets without the quotation?
You need to have the quotation in there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Whether it's a string or not.
Whether it's a string or not, you have to put quotations in there. Yeah. Well, let me double check that.
We'll find out. You got an error.
What's the error?
You gotta get rid of the quotation.
Oh. So yeah, you have to put the quotation marks. Okay. So now that we know how to create an object using an object literal method, and we know how to access objects in two different ways. One is using the dot notation, and one is using the constructor, or sorry, not the constructor, but the bracket notation. I want you guys to create your own objects and access the properties using both dot notation and